How to fix Cash App web receipts not showing up. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App web receipts not showing up. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app. From there, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. Make sure you scroll through them just like you can see me doing here. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the screen. Once you reach here, make sure you tap this option here named Support. This is the Cash App support page. Here, there are various options that can help you find solutions to issues you face on the app. From the options that are here, make sure you tap on this one here, named Account and Settings. As you can see, here there are sections related to the accounts and settings of your Cash App account. Next, scroll through them. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This is the bottom of the page as you can see here. At the bottom, there is an option named Contact Us. Under the option, there is another option named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. This feedback box will appear where you have to explain to the support team the issue you are facing. You can also copy what I have typed here. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like you can see here. Finally, send them the message. Give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is, how to fix Cash App web receipts not showing up.